Okay, I'm back with a tutorial, and this time it is Amy Lee's Sick New World Fest makeup that I loved. I used Juvia's Place Warrior palette, or you can use a black eyeshadow. This Stuck On You eyeshadow primer, or any one you have, Wet n Wild liquid eyeliner, and a silver glitter. And Profusion's Euphoria palette, which by the way someone said was a dupe for the Hip Dot Evanescence palette, and I think it is pretty close. I also used Gwen's mascara, and here are the brushes I used: some blending, some flat rounded, a detail, and a glitter. So we're going to start by applying the primer, of course, all over your eyelid, and then take that rounded flat eyeshadow brush and start patting on the black. Now we're taking the blending and we're going to blend those edges out so it's nice and smoothed out and not harsh. Now with the detail brush, we're going to apply the black underneath the eye and in the corners, just where we need more. Now taking the other blending brush, I applied the white shimmery shade from the Euphoria palette. Next, apply the liquid eyeliner in a straightforward line, nothing fancy, just to really darken that lash line. Okay, so once again we are using the eyeshadow primer as glue because I don't have any, and I used the wand to apply it, but you can use your finger if you want. So we apply the glitter all over the eyelid. And reapplying eyeliner because of course the glitter gets everywhere. Applying mascara on the top lashes, nice and coated. And of course on the bottom to really open up those eyes. I decided to put some lip gloss on, and I have a mirror up there, that's why I'm looking up. Giving that hair a little fix, getting it out of my face. And there you have the finished look.